how to reset fund password on Gate.io. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply be showing you how you can reset your fund password on Gate.io. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To reset your fund password, first of all, just go to Gate.io and then make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you're signed into your account, on the top right hand side, you'll find your profile icon. Just hover your mouse icon over it, and then you want to navigate to security verification, as you could see. And then once you go to security verification, over here you want to simply scroll down to the bottom until the password management section comes up, and then you'll find this section that says fund password. So in order to reset it, on the right hand side you'll find the option called change. Just make sure to click on change. Under the change option over here, you'll find to enter your old password, but since we do not remember it, we'll just choose the option called forgot password on the right hand side of the screen. Once you choose the option called forgot password, here you can select your username, your email address, or your passwords first of all, so reset by mail. So I'll just go ahead and simply enter my username in this case, and then I'll enter my password and then my email address, and then I'll hit the next button. Now once I do that, verify the I'm not a robot captcha over here. As we do that, it'll ask us to verify an email has been sent to your email address. Please follow the instruction in the email to reset your password. So what we will do is we'll just open up a new tab, and then we will go to Gmail or any of the email that was associated with your Gate.io account. And at the very top, you can find the option called reset your fund password on Gate.io, right? Just go ahead and click on that mail. Under it, you'll find this little button that says reset password. Just click on that option again. And now what you have to do is just go ahead and simply enter the new password that you want to use for your fund password. After that, just go ahead and simply re-enter the new password again in your new box over here. Once you've done that, make sure to actually go ahead and then enable the Google Authenticator code or whatever else it is, or else just click on the submit button if it's not enabled. And that's how you can go ahead and then reset your fund password on Gate.io. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.